exfoliating your skin at least 2 to 3 times a week is very vital for your skincare products. When you exfoliate the skin, you get rid of the dirt and grease that's settled in the pores. It also gets rid of like blackheads and whitehead and dead skin cells on the skin. When you exfoliate, your skin look much brighter, much fresher, and it also helps your skincare products to work much better on the skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to show you how you can make a quick and easy anti-aging exfoliator using a simple ingredient like a coffee. Coffee will help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and when mixed with the other ingredients, it will help to clean those pores out and have your skin looking just fresh, radiant, and glowing. So if you're interested to see how I made my personal anti-aging coffee scrub for brightening, lightening, and for clearing the skin of hyperpigmentation, follow me to the kitchen. I'll share the recipe with you, and I will also share some tips on how best to use this on your skin for a best result. Our first ingredient is coffee, and today I'm using coffee beans. Now, coffee has many benefits for the skin, especially anti-aging benefits. Coffee will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. Coffee also will help to smooth the skin. It also has skin calming effect. It is good for dark under eye circles, and it will help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines, and also boost the collagen production in the skin. So I'm going to be using about a 1/4 cup of coffee beans, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be blending to a powder. So let's add the coffee to the blender. And now let's blend. Now after blending, take a look. Here we have our blended coffee. However, it still contains a high amount of granules, which is exactly how we want it to be. So next I'm going to take about a 1/3 or about 2 tablespoons of the blended coffee. I'm going to add this to a bowl, and then I'm going to reach for my next ingredient. My next ingredient is the good old coconut oil, and coconut oil is a good oil for locking the moisture in the skin and keeping the skin soft and hydrated. Now if you do not have coconut oil, you can use some grapeseed oil or even some olive oil, or you can choose to mix the two together for this recipe. I'm going to take a little bit of my grapeseed oil, and I'm going to pour this in around about a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil, and then I'm going to reach for the coconut oil, which is an heavier oil, and I'm going to pour about a teaspoon of the coconut oil also with the coffee. Now once this is done, I'm going to reach for some honey, and honey is very hydrating to the skin. It's as a form of a humectant which helps to lock the moisture in the skin also. However, it contains antibacterial properties, which makes it a great ingredient for acne prone skin. Now after pouring about a teaspoon of the honey in, I'm going to reach for my final ingredient. Now here I have some aloe vera gel. Now when it comes on to aloe vera gel, it is smooth into the skin. It helps with sunburn. It also helps to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. I'm going to pour this in with the rest of the ingredient, and then we're going to mix all together. So we're mixing coffee powder, we're mixing coconut oil, grapeseed oil, honey, and aloe vera gel. Now you do not want this to be too watery, so do not be quick to add more oils. Slowly work it into a nice paste. If you're looking to further lighten and brighten the skin, you can choose to add a little bit of a turmeric powder to this mixture. Now once this is done, I suggest that you set this aside for a few hours just for the oils to seep into the coffee and when this is done, it is now ready to use to exfoliate the skin. Now this is a good exfoliator to use on your face, your neck, and the décolleté. However guys, it is also a good exfoliator to use on your entire body. To use this, you want to apply to clean skin. I would suggest that you cleanse your skin before like you normally do, and if you have a steamer guys, go ahead and steam your face also, and then you're ready to exfoliate. Now you want to apply this to your skin in circular motion. Be careful however not to let the granules get in your eyes. Exfoliate your face, your neck, and your décolleté, and you're going to be rubbing this on your skin for about 2 to 3 minutes. Focus on the areas where you tend to have the most problem, like if you have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads on the nose, on the jawline, just exfoliate. And once this is done guys, you can choose to leave it on your skin for another 10 minutes or so, or you can choose to wash it off right away. Go ahead and rinse, preferably with some warm water. Once this is done, splash on some cold water, pat dry the skin, and go ahead and apply your favorite skincare products. Now this facial scrub is safe to use every other day or at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result, and store this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. However, just before you use it, take it out for about an hour or so and let it come to room temperature before you start exfoliating your face. So there you have it guys, a quick and easy coffee scrub. Now when it comes on to coffee scrub guys, it is not only good for your face, your neck, and your décolleté, but it is one scrub that you can use on your entire body. Don't forget guys to exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.